Sars raids MaMkhize's homes, luxury, firearms, and tax drama. The South African Revenue Service (SARS) has raided the lavish properties of business mogul Sean MaMkhize, uncovering luxury vehicles, firearms, and critical financial documents in a tax investigation. Luxury items seized: Rolls-Royce, sports cars, and unregistered firearms. Targeted properties, including her Lelucia mansion in Durban. Allegations: tax discrepancies involving millions of rand. MaMkhize's legal team calls it a witch hunt, vowing to challenge the operation's legality. While the public is divided, some see it as a necessary move to hold wealthy individuals accountable. Will MaMkhize emerge unscathed from this escalating battle with SARS?